North Coast Highway to North Coast. The cyclone has destroyed a lot of butternut trees, coconut palms. It destroyed the road also, as you can see. A lot of evidence of landslide. Wow. The trees have lost their leaves. So this is the landslide, and now the road has gone very narrow. You can look down here, it's very dangerous down to Una River. Yes. You see, this is going down to Uhuna. It's very scary. They need to plant Brucidia trees at the side of the landslide is. So this is North Coast Highway. Cyclone has caused a lot of destruction to these people here also. We are concentrating on the people that were affected on the islands. People also here in the North Coast, you see their coconut palms, all trees, all leaves are gone. They are losing coconut palms. The leaves of these trees are also gone. And there's a papa down here with this house here. I think this is dear JJ's house. Yes, so you see, this house here is lost a lot of its roofing. So those of us who are concentrating to the outside of the province, the inside of the province is also affected, especially the North Coast. And I think they're still waiting for relief supplies. So please, let's help our people also on this side of Alotau. They are also suffering the same suffering as those who are in the islands of Median Bay.